All right, so today is a big day because today is the beginning of my TV career with some regularity. Meaning, I've been on TV a bunch of times, but not as a regular. And today is the first day that I am going to be filming for Good Things Utah as a regular segment called $1 Million Home Sweet Home. Now, we are up here in Huntsville, Utah. We just passed the gated entrance and we're going to, I can't remember how much this home that we're going to be filming is and touring, but I want to say it's like 3 or 4 million. We'll find out more details once we get up there. The owner's going to be up there. Good Things Utah filming crew's going to be up there. And this community that we're driving through right now has a helicopter pad at the top of the mountain. It's got a lake house down at the lake, hot air balloons for the people that live in this community, a barn that has a gym. I mean, it is a really, really impressive piece of property that we're going to be touring today. And so it's just a big day in general. I think you could see it right there. We're going to actually start heading up the driveway. There's the roof line. It's a spectacular house. I came out here during the summer just to take a peek at it. And now I'm excited because we're actually going to film this for Good Things Utah.
And then do you want to know all this hillside is all the energy for the home is geothermic and it's all under that hill.
No way.
And then you put these are infrared heaters.
Oh, I can feel that.
So the design and your belief is so important.
Right.
The attention to detail.
Yeah.
And sticking with it.
Wow.
And then this is all about treating metals and acids and wax.
Wow.
And it, you know, it's
That's
pretty
so cool. I didn't realize that was metal.
Same with the stairs. That was like, I told him what I wanted. I found it in LL Bean in Park City.
No way.
And I said, that's the finish. And it took 30 different treatments. And it's aciding and waxing and what it is. So I've seen so many mistakes, and it's where you learn from is people's, you know, what really pops.
Right.
And I'm really lucky that Michelle, with her design, is the finishes and the feel. Nothing ever repeats itself.
Got it.
Really important. And it's texture and colours and tying it all together. And then it's, so you start with the architecture and you have these deep windows, capture outside, inside. This is, every room, every bathroom is at the front. So normally at Deer Valley, they're at the back.
Right.
Buried. And the patio area, private area. You can, you know, you can indulge in any way you like.
That's amazing.
And
that is amazing.
when I hide everyone, you just do that.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Disappear. Yeah.
I love it.
And this is all. That's from Indonesia. That's from restored boats and barns.
Oh, no way.
All that wood is so. It's really a beautiful.
Yeah.
It's a great touch. This is architecture. Wide to narrow, right? People don't see it until you explain it, but it goes with all the angles. And it is beautiful. Bedrooms have worked out to be the right size.
Yeah.
Bathroom, everything, and then you have social areas.
Yes.
And that's important. We have spring waters here in the cottonwoods.
No way.
And all the big four-legged moose and elk and deer sleep down here and drink. So we put a blind there together. Yeah, you bike down and ski down right
Oh my gosh.
So we've got, yeah, that's where the blind is down there. So we've got the moose hanging around, and there's a few big, I put salt blocks down, that brings them in.
Wow.
They're lick easy.
Wow.
And then there's one more that
Oh, the light.
So this is cool.
Oh, wow.
This is a really nice slab.
Wow, that is gorgeous.
My idea of wanting an outside shower with no screens, so only the moose can run away. If you get in the shower, then there will be no wildlife left. Second spa, and you're going to like the spa. But it's all offset. If you look at it, it's all about angles.
Yes.
I call it my jazz room.
Wow.
That view,
Yeah.
with square top, and then she's taken this floor, cut it up, and put it into the wall. So I can read you a book at bedtime if you lay down there.
I'll be back tonight.
This beautiful home here in Huntsville. We're going to talk all about those details, but before we do, what exactly is Home Sweet Home?
Utah Home Sweet Home is a real estate company where we help families purchase their first time home to homes like this. We also fix and flip houses, and so Utah Home Sweet Home kind of is an investment company. We help our clients buy rental properties. We help our clients just buy owner occupied homes, and we just have a blast with it.
I bet your clients love you because you're so friendly, you're so fun, and you know about all of these hidden gems like this.
And what I love about it, it's very private. It's the community's called the Sanctuary, and it's, as you can see right here, you don't have anyone looking in your windows. You know, Park City and Deer Valley are obviously gorgeous, but a lot of the homes are so close that people can see within the windows. You'll see here, the bathrooms literally face the front of the home, so you can take a bath without closing the blinds, not having to worry about anybody looking in.
In peace
In
and
peace.
quiet. We're talking electronic bikes, hot air balloons,
Yes.
what else?
Yes, electronic bikes, heli air balloons, heli fishing in the summer, or heli skiing in the winter, or snowboarding. I've never had the luxury of experience to heli ski, but I think I'd like to one day. Fresh powder, never been touched, up on a place on a mountain that nobody's been before. How cool is that?
It looks absolutely incredible, and we see that dome right up there at the top where people are doing jujitsu, they're doing yoga, massages. Oh my goodness.
Yes, so there's a dome up there where some big executives will come. They'll have meetings in there, meditation meetings, and yoga, jujitsu, massages, and then it just has an amazing view of the entire mountain range.
Yoshi, this place is absolutely incredible. What are some of your favorite features inside?
Okay, so what I love about this home is, what's really cool is, I didn't know this at first, but the staircase actually isn't just straight up. It actually is an angle that kind of comes inwards. So it's really, really cool, very creative architect design behind it. I love the kitchen as well. The kitchen is spectacular, it's beautiful. Every single bathroom in this home is different. You know, most houses, especially as an individual who fix and flips homes, so much of what we do is just the same paint color in every room, the same vanities in every bathroom. You know, for the most part, it's just cookie cutter, right? And that's just how a lot of homes are built, is very cookie cutter. But this home, every single bathroom is unique to itself. And then, like I mentioned earlier, it's got an elevator, so how amazing is that?
Well, I'm sure viewers right now are watching saying he's personable, he's knowledgeable, and I want to work with him no matter where they are in their journey, right? Maybe it's a first-time home, or maybe it's something like this.
Yeah, well, thank you. I appreciate that. You know, I've got over 2 decades of real estate experience. Originally started as a real estate investor, never thought that I would be a real estate agent as well. And it led me to the path of where I love to help people buy and sell their homes, and also invest in real estate, something that I'm passionate about, which is what got me into real estate from the beginning.
Perfect. Where do people find you to work with you?
Yes, so you can go to www.utahhomesweethome.com, or you can call me at 801-810-4475.
Great. Thank you so much for taking the time today.
Thank you.
Let's go explore and enjoy the home.
Let's go do it. Hey Utah, are you looking to buy or sell a home? I'm Yoshi Shiraki with Utah Home Sweet Home, and my team is here to help you. Whether it's buying, selling, or investing, Utah's real estate market is hotter than ever right now. With over 20 years in real estate, we know how to take care of your real estate needs. You can also learn more about real estate every Saturday morning with me on K-Talk Radio and monthly on Good Things Utah. So, if you're ready to find or sell your home, call us today or go to utahhomesweethome.com. All right, I'm taking an elevator ride.
Is Nordic Valley, and then you got Snow Basin, and then you have the Wasatch Peaks, which is the 10 guys that just spent 50 million buying that bit over there.
Oh my gosh.
This is the world's most expensive toilet. The this is that's going to be the heli home.
Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous.
It's pretty spectacular.
Seriously.
Yeah. So this is this is a leader. The leaders of industry will choose to come and use this because this is where you entertain.
Got it.
And it's at the back of the mountain.
Yeah,
it's private, secure.